Locate the positive battery terminal where you will connect the red clamp. Then determine a grounding point where you can connect the black clamp.
Park the helping car next to the car with the dead battery. Place the car in park and engage the parking brakes. Do not allow the vehicles to touch. Remove the key from the ignition of both cars. Make sure to turn off radios, lights, and accessories on both vehicles. Connect the red jumper cables. First, you need to connect the red positive clamp to the positive terminal of the car with the dead battery. The positive terminal will either have a red wire, red cover, or the positive words or symbol. Next, connect the other end of the red clamp to the helper car. We want to avoid connecting the black clamp directly to the negative battery terminal. Use a bare metal point such as a strut bolt, frame, or the engine block to connect the negative jumper cable. The reason why we need to avoid connecting the negative clamp directly to the negative terminal of the car with the dead battery is because of a chance of sparks and because battery fumes could catch on fire. Start the car with the good battery and let it idle for at least 5 minutes to charge the dead battery. Try starting the vehicle with the dead battery. If the car is refusing to start, make sure the jumper cable clamps are making good contact. If you check the clamps but the car still doesn't start, allow the dead battery to charge for another 5 to 10 minutes before you try to start the car again.